sobrang do you consider na yung mga tao, kasi parang consider ka na local na talaga sa Siargao. Pero ikaw, gano'n ka talaga kadalas doon sa Siargao? And kung ibibenta mo yung Siargao, ano yung mga magagandang words na masasabi mo about Siargao?
I wouldn't say naman I'm a local. I think that's very far from who I really am. I would say that I find Siargao, I see Siargao as my home. And a lot of super memorable people and memorable things happen to me on the island. And a lot of healing as well. Siguro kung ibebenta ko yung Siargao, I would say that it's a place where the people and it's an island where the place and the people would take care of you and show you the best love that you could ever ask for.
And talking about the series, nakapareho mo si Alden. And few years ago, ito yung kalaban ng ka-love team mo, diba? Napag-uusapan niyo ba yung time na yun na talagang pinagbabangga yung mga love teams ninyo before?
Grabe naman po yung kalaban. And I wouldn't say that we saw, like I at least saw it that way. Parang it was just really, parang we all existed in the same, in the same category. Pero wala din namang rivalry with anything. And understanding naman that all love teams are very different from each other. So, yun nga, like what I mentioned earlier, parang hindi ko naman din siya na-imagine kasi at that time, parang mahirap to imagine yourself with another on-screen partner. Kasi nga, sobrang sacred ng love teams before. Parang may maka-work kang, di ba? Parang lagot yung makaka-work mo. Parang ganon. That even in a movie, kung kunyari may anong tawag doon, hindi naman may third party. Kawawa yung third party. Kasi ganong level siya. So, I never really imagined that eventually, in the future, this would happen. Although I don't think naman it was impossible. It's just that, hindi ko lang siya naisip.
And lastly na lang, kasi kasama niyo si Kim Jisoo dito. May mga encounters or mga interactions ba kayo na you can share? Kamusta yung relationship?
You know what, honestly, si Jisoo, he's also so in love with the island. So like, yun nga din, sabi ko kanina, meron po kasi kaming group chat. Tapos, pag may days po kasi na wala kaming shoots, everyone kind of does their own thing. May pupunta ng gym, mayroong may meeting, mayroong may magla-lunch, mayroong may shoot na ganito. So, ang naalala ko kasi dyan kay Jisoo, I always see him on the road, nang nakamotor. And sobrang love na yung isla. Like, he would really say na, like, I love Siargao, I wanna go back. And to my surprise, he surfs pala. Magaling siya mag-surf. So, nung nakabalik na kaming lahat dito sa Manila, merong time na nag-message siya na parang sabi niya, I wanna go back to the island, gano'n. Like, parang it feels so different. Yun. And then, obviously naman, the others naman have been to the island na. So, parang lang kaming lahat, parang meron lang kaming theme, which was parang work vacation siya at the same time. So, it's hard not to fall in love with the island.
Totoo naman. Pero ito yung last question na, madalas nababasa to about Siargao. Mahal daw kasi sa Siargao. Kaya minsan yung iba nahihirapang bumalik, ganyan. And your thoughts about it?
I think it really depends on where you go and the activities that you do on the island. The tickets, unfortunately, it's true. They're very expensive. But what I do kasi, ito, tip. Kung gusto niyo mag-Siargao, mag-Clark kayo. Pero yun lang, medyo malayo lang siya. It's a bit challenging. Kasi syempre, babiyahe ka pa for 2 hours from Manila just to get to Clark. Pero yung tickets kasi doon, somehow reasonable. There are also flights na connecting, alam ko naman yung tickets yung mahal. Sinasabi nila. Kahit naman ako namamahalan ako. But there are flights naman din na may connecting to Cebu that goes to Siargao. So yun, everyone actually, even our friends who are living on the island, we're all hoping na you know, the price, the plane prices, the ticket prices change. So it's more accessible to people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There we go. Thank you so much. And we have a question from Facebook. A supporter asked, sabi dito, if you could collaborate with any artist in the world, who would it be?
In the world,
In the world, so like international, pwede international or local.
ano ba mas okay isagot? Local or international?
Sige, let's go with international first.
International. Gusto ko si Bryan Cranston. You know Bryan Cranston?
I've heard it.
Bryan Cranston is the si Walter. Do you know Breaking Bad? Yon. So si Walter White. I really am a huge fan of Bryan Cranston kasi kung napanood mo yung Breaking Bad, sobrang seryoso niya doon, di ba? But he was also the dad in Malcolm in the Middle. Have you seen Malcolm in the Middle? So it's a comedy, it's a sitcom. Tapos siya yung dad doon. So that was like siguro one of his earlier projects na sobrang comedy yung role niya doon. As in, comedy kasi siya. Sitcom. So, ang galing lang ng range na he can do something as serious as Breaking Bad. And then, kaya niya din mag-comedy ng gano'n.
Extremes,
Oo,
no? Dulo to dulo.
Oo.
There you
Which
go.
I love.
Sige, yun yung for the international.
For international.
How about for the local scenes? Yun na naman.
Sobrang gusto ko maka-work si Pepe Herrera.
Gets.
Although ano naman si Kuya Pepe. Hi, Kuya. No, but I really want to work with him kasi favorite ko na local film talaga, yung ang pangarap kong Hold Up. Sobrang favorite ko yung film na yun. Like, it's one of the movies that I can watch nang paulit-ulit and not get tired of it. So, yun. Tapos, Viva din, yung recent niya na project, yung Ang Sampung Utos kay George, sila dyan dalawa ni Gerald. So, and si Kuya Pepe naman, I mean, I know him personally. Kasi may mga common friends din kami. So I just really want to work with him. Tsaka gusto kong mag-comedy na, yung comedy na medyo kanal. Yun din ang type ng comedy.
May manifest natin yan for you.
Oo, sana.
Okay, another question. Sabi dito, if you could leave one message para sa lahat ng mga supporters mo who have, stayed with you through every chapter of your life, ano yung message daw na yun?
I love you guys. Hindi, sobrang totoo yun. Sobrang love na love ko sila. Kasi kahit anong mangyari sa akin, nandyan sila. And hindi sila yung mga klase ng nagja-judge sila sa mga decisions ko. Parang they trust in a lot of my decisions. Ayan, nandyan sila. Kaway kayo.
Hi guys! Shout out to all of you!
Yan, tsaka lahat ng ginagawa ko talaga, kahit yung mga events namin for like some of my ventures, pumupunta talaga sila. They're very supportive.
And I'm sure susuportahan nila na yung Love Siargao. No?
For sure, nag-aantay na yan ng next episode. yung mga yan.
Nag-aantay na.
Thanks, guys!
There we go. That's very sweet. Maraming salamat. I guess that wraps up our Q&A portion.